Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the constructors in Java. Basically, the constructor is a block of code that is similar to the method, and we can write the codes. Yeah, we can write the code through the constructor. Uh, the main use of the constructor is we can call the methods and objects of the parent class in the child class through the constructor. Then the constructor does not have any return type, not even void. It means that we can't declare the constructor with the return type. Then the only four modifiers are applicable for the constructor, and that are the public, private, protected, and the default. These four modifiers are used to declare the constructor. Then the constructor is executes automatically when we create an object in our program. Then the constructor is used to initialize an object. This is all about the constructors in Java. Then there are three types of constructors in Java. First one is the default constructor, then parameterized constructor, and then non-parameterized constructor. These are the three types of the constructors in Java. Then firstly we will discuss about the default constructor. The constructor declared by the compiler is known as the default constructor. Then there are no arguments or no parameters in the default constructors. When we do not declare any constructor in our program, then the compiler will automatically create a constructor, and the constructor is called as default constructor. It is used to provide the default values to the object. For example, 0 and the null. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and the synchronized. This is the most point of the Java constructor. Then we can access modifiers while declaring a constructor. We can use the access modifiers while declaring it. It controls the object. It controls the object creation. Then second one is the Java parameterized constructor. The Java parameterized constructor is a constructor which is declared by the programmer, and there are types of arguments. For example, we can provide the one parameter or also two parameters in the constructor. This is all about the Java parameterized constructor. Then the non-parameterized constructor. The non-parameterized constructor are the constructor which are declared by the programmer, but it does not have the any arguments. Is called as non-parameterized constructor in Java. This is all about the constructors. Thank you.